summarize this, we're doing turns. Right turn, left turn, with different variations of the hands. Okay? So what we want to do is 1, 2, 3, right turn, 2, 3, left turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we do the opposite. So we do right turn with the right, left turn with this. Then we do the opposite. The right turn with this, left turn with this. Okay, is that one or gonna be? Maybe that's it. Maybe that's the one that's first. Okay, I changed. Sorry. I'm gonna do it tiny bit easier. Okay. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do just right turn with right. Okay. So have a look. Right turn. And then left turn. So anti-clockwise. Then you change hand and do the same. Right turn first. Left turn. Right? And lead. Remember, you always need to lead after your back step. Okay? Always after the back step. Okay? So do a sequence of turns. 5, 6, 7. Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. First with the right hand. Go. 1, 2, right turn. 5, 6, 7. Left turn. Change hands. Right turn. Clockwise. Let me do again. Right turn with right. Left turn with right. Left turn right turn with left. Right turn with left. Left turn for the moment, okay? The steps for the next move will be similar to the left turn, but they will involve changing to the next line. We have one line here, or actually I can be on that one. So we have this line, and we have to step off the line to let the follower go on the other side. Okay? So we have one forward, two diagonally back, and three. It's a bit like our left turn, but left turn we stay on one line. Let's do it again. And one step off the line, and three. One more time. Forward, diagonally back, and back. Okay? Now we're facing that way. That's our three. Our follower is on our right. And now we're stepping on the spot, that 5 and 6, 7. We come back to the line that we were on. 6 forward, left, and right, back, left. Okay? So face again this way. I will show you the whole move. Left, right, right on the spot, 6, 7. Okay? Again. Same salsa rhythm as before. Step, step, step on the spot. Step, step, step. And let's try it that direction. I'm going to be here now. And forward, go off the line. Step, and on the spot, 6, 7. Stay where you are. And again, this direction. Go. 1, 2, 3. On the spot, 5, 6, 7. And again, try to do it about me there. Forward, change. And again, go back to where you were. And forward, go off the line. Follow your left shoulder. It's half a left turn here. That's it. And on the spot, 6, 7. Have a look what I do, because some of you do kind of on the open kind of position, which is also fine, but sometimes to make it a little bit easier, I step it like I close the gap on the 5. So have a look. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I close the gap. And 1, 2, 3, close the gap, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What the follower is going to do is just walk, walk, walk. Okay? So practically, it's going to be step, 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 and the last moment we're gonna do half turn to just face the partner. Okay? But this will I will show that in the partner work. So let's partner up now. Let's partner up. Let's partner up. Let's partner up. Let's partner up. Just grab someone that's available. Okay, here. Sandy. Leaders facing that way. Make sure you don't push the leader. Okay? Step forward on 1. Go off the line on 2 and 3 over. When this happens, the follower is doing just half of the basic step. Okay? Just half of the basic. And 1, 2, 3. Make sure that you do that. 3. So back and 3. That's for the follower. Let's do one more time. And 1, 2, 3. Nice. So very gently, we'll be showing the way to the follower where to go. And then in the last moment, we'll do that little wrap to turn towards us. Okay? So let's go back. Have a look once. Have a look once. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We can do it holding each other, or I can do it just with one hand. But for now, let's keep the open hold, so both hands touching. 1 together. 1, 2, 3, and gently show the way to the partner. our right. So follower hasn't passed our level yet. Okay? On 5, 6, 7, follower has to cross and turn towards us, and we have to step back on the line of the follower. So we have that. 5, gently lead towards you. 5, 6, step on the line. 7, yeah? And again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Works. And again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Try the same thing with closed hold now. You don't have to pull, you don't have to push. It should be gentle. It should be just as unified as if we were one. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Follower should still be on our right on 3. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3. And now pass on the other side. Again. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Nice. Okay. One thing about followers. Followers are gonna step on the line as royalty. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's just that one line. Leaders in this case are the one fighting with sharks going off the line. Yeah, we all have the superpower. We can deal with the sharks without killing them. We just enchant them. They're nice. Okay? So it's just something to remember that as leaders we always go off the line. Follower stays on the line. Okay? So let's do this 2 more times. And then we swap cross. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. Close, hold. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. Close, hold now. 5, 6, 7. Close, hold now. Open, hold. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 5, 6, 7. Try.
Right.